Hi, this is Julie Beth with Coastal Peach Interiors. Today we're here to review some pull handles and some knobs. This company right here sent them to me. These are oil rubbed bronze. These are the knobs and these are the pulls. And we are gonna update the cabinets back here in the back. But first let's open these and see how they look. So they come very well packaged. I like it's got the padding, you've got the screws here. And the knobs, those are nice. These are very modern, chic looking. You've got the oil rubbed bronze there on the corners. I like this, it gives you that dark look. A lot of people are going black for like farmhouse, or people are trying to go gold, which is really stylish and stuff right now. These kind of give you the best of both worlds. You get that dark with the gold rubbed corners. Those are the knobs. And let's open the pulls here. We've got oh, these are nice. So these are very sleek and contemporary looking as well. Oh yeah, these are gonna look really nice on our white cabinets back there. Again, you've got the oil rubbed bronze, so you've got that darker look, but then you have that gold corner, which is going to look gorgeous. I have a coastal farmhouse going. We live here in Florida, so I'm looking forward to giving some contrast to my white cabinets back here with these. So let's go get them installed and see how they look. So we are going to get these installed or finish up getting these installed. I have one left. You need a screwdriver, or you can use a power drill if you are so inclined. And you just line the screws up with the holes. Do you have screw already? I like to go ahead and get it started and then use the screwdriver to tighten it up. Top and the bottom. And once you have them both tightened, then voila, their look is complete. And now you can see we have updated to the oil rubbed bronze fixtures. So they have that contrast to the white with that just a little bit of a gold edge, which looks really nice in this coastal farmhouse kitchen.